Hey guys, Stavros here from OPA Extreme. Gonna review a few knives for you. We're gonna start with the new P88 B for black. I'm assuming there might be a different color coming, so they chose to put a B in front of this one at the moment. So we'll go over some of the basic specifications and design. It is a karambit style knife design. It has the finger ring here. Very nice texture there. Very deep ribs around the design. That gives it good grip if you needed to have you have your hand around that spot for any reason, or if your thumb is there. Either way, it's lots of grip, but I think it's mostly just looks cool. The handle is G10 with this kind of like rocky finish. It's pretty cool, good for grip, and just looks really nice too, right? It is a flipper. It's not assisted. It does have stainless steel inlay. It's really nice design. Obviously, you know what? Obviously, with this finger hole back here, it's not deep carry, and it is only one-sided option for the clip, which is blade up design. Okay, let's do that again. It closes. Oh, since we got it closed, you can see there it's relatively centered. I think it's a slight hair off to the left. For a $73 knife, this is actually very good quality, and that's not the end of the world if it's slightly off. I have some zero tolerances that are not perfectly centered. Look at that, hey guys. This is very gorgeous blade design. It's got the recurve on the bottom and the really big swoop on this side. It's very good size. I guess you can use it for skinning and all that kind of stuff too. I mean, this is gonna, I'm not sure what the design is specifically designed for. I think it's just a cool design. I don't know if it's specifically for skinning or for anything like that. I'm not into knives enough to know those kind of things. I think it's just a cool looking knife. But of course, you know, being a hunter, I am aware that this nice square right there would be good for when you're skinning, taking off the hide. This recurve here for whatever reasons. Well, I wanted to show you that on the inside, you can see right there, the stainless steel inlay does have circular holes to help keep the weight down. It does have a little chimping right here for a little bit of grip there. It does have the, I think it's called a choil here, the finger choil. It's a good size, so you can get your finger in there too for when you really want to put your thumb up here as well and get some fine work done on something. If you're maybe cutting some fine work, or you want to shave some kindling or start a fire. And let's see here. Okay, and this one does not have the beta safety or that other little safety that some of the Ruike knives have here to help lock the blade in place a little bit better. This one is a liner lock. Very nice, very solid design. They make really good quality knives. You got to give credit to Ruike for the price points. I can't say they're the best knives out there for the price point, but I think it's safe to say that they are arguably one of the best quality knives for the price point. Okay, so let's get down to some of the specifications on the blade. The blade is, I believe, 0.14. Let me quickly check those numbers here. Yes, the blade thickness is 0.14 inch. It's total blade length of 2.97 inches. The overall length of the knife is 7.95 inches. It is 14C28N stainless steel for about 58 to 60 HRC for hardness. It is, as you can see from the design here, this little black section is called blackened and brush finish. Regarding the ball bearing, it does say here that the ball bearings are a built-in lubricated type of balls made of specialized high carbon chromium bearing steel and are finely machined. The balls feature excellent hardness, wear resistance, and fatigue durability. There you go, some information about the ball bearings. This is just a sexy knife, guys. I really like it. I'm thinking about keeping one for myself. I only got 2 in stock. Of course, I can get more. The flipper part sticks out pretty good chunk there too. I can get a really good grip on it there. Nice. Now this little thing here, I noticed that the handle and the frame are not cut out to match the curve. I don't know if that's on purpose because they want this tip to come closer here for stability reasons, or whether they just chose not to have it follow the same contour as the frame behind it. It's not a big deal to me. It looks nice overall. I was just wondering what the reason for that may have been. Thoughts on the knives, guys? I've only got 2 in stock. Again, I could get more, but I got 2 in stock, so anybody wants one, check it out. I do have a promotion with, since Phoenix owns Ruike, if you buy a Ruike knife and a Phoenix flashlight worth over $100, I'll give free shipping to the major cities in Canada. Or if you buy 3 knives, I'll do free shipping. I think there's a minimum of a certain price value. I'll double check. I think it's around $160. It needs to be minimum if you buy 3 knives, or to get free shipping. If you're in some rural town, it may cost a few dollars more. Just really quickly, I'm going to review this knife next, but this is the little thing I was talking about that this knife does not have, where it can slide forward, and that helps you lock the line there more for a little more stability of a stronger lock. Okay guys, check that out. Appreciate any comments below on this knife, if anyone's already picked one up, or any comments in general with the Ruike brand. Okay guys, the Ruike P88 B.